Have you ever found a deep-seated problem in your everyday experience? Something as simple as buying books, music, or even hailing a cab. Today's unicorn companies such as Amazon, Spotify, and Uber rose up from the ash of user experience despair. Introducing Startup Survivor, a 4-month program that leads teams down a well-worn path of startup success. Brought to you by the Forge Business Incubator. The prize? Up to $75,000 of cold hard cash.
And last but not least, crowning our Forge Startup Survivor, Dahlia.
Wow.
10 teams are chosen to compete. Who will survive?
Leaderboard is one thing, but whether you are making a viable business out of it.
It was definitely an eye-opening experience, putting on that hat as essentially almost like a real business owner.
I was prepared. I was really confident. The training that we did prior with the Forge staff was really helpful. Really boosted the confidence, and I felt really prepared going in.
There was a lot going on. We felt good going into it since we had met with the mentors.
I think at the end of the day, you definitely want to be in the top 5.
By the end of Startup Survivor, after receiving hours of expert mentorship and experiential learning opportunities, you'll be well prepared for life as an entrepreneur. Outwork, outshine, outpitch.